In this video, we will see how to fix Discord app error, a fatal JavaScript error occurred on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of issue, Discord app not working properly, then here are the fixes. The first one is go to your desktop shortcuts of this Discord app, right click on it and choose properties. Its properties windows will Discord properties window will now open. Here go to compatibility option from the top menu bar and first run compatibility troubleshooter and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process, and also make the check against option run this program in compatibility mode for, and also make the check against option run this program as an administrator mode. So run Discord app as an administrator mode in your Windows 11 and 10 system and check whether your Discord app working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, clear installer caches. Right click on a start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command as shown on screen, %local app data %/ squirrel temporary. Execute this command, click on OK. This command will open its temporary folder, temporary installer folder. Here select all contents of this folder and choose delete. Clear Discord installer caches from your system and check whether Discord app working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Disable antivirus software if you have installed in your system. Open control panel in your system and here open Windows Defender Firewall. Here from the left side of item, choose turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off and turn off Windows Defender Firewall under private network as well as public network. Temporarily disable your antivirus program. If you have installed any third-party antivirus, then temporarily disable it. Once your work finished, don't forget to turn on your antivirus program. And after disabling antivirus, check whether your Discord app working or not. If not, reinstall Discord app in your system. Open control panel in your system, go to programs and features. Here look for Discord app, select it and choose uninstall and let the window complete the uninstallation process of Discord messaging app in your system. And thereafter go to official site of Discord app and download a fresh Discord app with latest version for Windows PC. Click on download for Windows and follow on screen instruction to complete the installation process of Discord app in your Windows 11.